My name is Jennifer Fein. I'm the CEO and founder of YouLi, as in You Live to Travel. The original inspiration for YouLi actually came from a trip to Japan, which started as a crazy idea with 2 people and turned into a group of 9 of us climbing Mount Fuji on the Gotemba route. And I spent a lot of time chasing emails, spreadsheets, and I realized there really should be an online solution to this problem of organizing group travel. And when I went looking for it, I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for. Because of my background building digital marketing technology platforms, I knew that this wasn't so hard to make. So I decided to make a prototype and test it out. And conveniently, I had a destination wedding to plan. But of course, taking a lot of people to the Middle East is not so easy. So we worked with Spice Road Travel and we used the prototype for YouLi to collect all the preferences from our travelers. And the optional item that most people opted in for was actually the hot air balloon ride, which is where our logo comes from. And everyone gave me great feedback about the prototype of YouLi. Then I had to figure out, how do I take this personal success and turn it into an actual business? So we decided to get an MVP out to market and see which customers were actually most interested in our product. And during our early adopter phase, we got a lot of interest from retreat organizers and boutique travel agents and tour operators that create transformational experiences. They take people on journeys that change them. And we realized that was our target market. People who are not afraid to go out and create something truly unique for every single one of their customers. So now we've invested in creating a white labeled version of YouLi, which allows our business customers to create a completely branded experience to sell their custom travel experiences through the YouLi platform. That means that for consumers, it's a completely free platform with the YouLi branding, and they can use it to organize an unlimited number of trips with unlimited number of travelers, with features to make it easier to organize a group to have any kind of group travel experience. With YouLi as an organizer, you can create your own YouLi travel pages for every single trip that you're currently running. They're completely private, and they don't require an account for your travelers to access their own personalized travel page. You control every aspect, from the schedule to the tasks to the payment collection. You can collect payments online through credit cards, or you can just manage offline payments. Whatever you need to do, YouLi will help you do it, all in one place.